Hello guys, now I'm gonna check the high beam light for Acura MDX. As you can see, there is the low beam and there is the high beam right over here. Right over here is the high beam. This is, I think, the turn signal light. Okay, so I removed this plastic cover already and also move this one too. Now I'm gonna remove this from away. Okay, so let's just move this from away. Okay, so that I can use my hand to be in there. There's so much wire and stuff. Okay, now I'm gonna twist it to the left. This is the high beam. Okay, as you can see, this is the bulb, and I'm gonna replace it with LED. Now I have to I was able to put it in. Now I have to twist it. Okay, it's fixed now, and now we are gonna, all the lights are good now. High beam. So as you can see, a lot of light. Before it used to be like this color. Now I have white, all messed up, and I just have to change this one.